Hello world and welcome. Today I'm talking about ChatGPT and how you can use the language model for creating some dialogues or to write an essay, to write even some Python code and so on. Today I'm giving you some examples how you can use the OpenAI's ChatGPT. And in the next lection I'm going to also show you how you can implement your own let's say, interface for this that you can do everything within Python. And yeah, but today I'm going to just give you a quick overview of how you can use ChatGPT. And let's get started. My name is Harris, and this is my channel here. So if you like the channel, hit the subscribe button or leave a like, comment there to follow more of this content. As you can see here, after logging in the ChatGPT, you can write your own text, so you can ask something. For instance, you can just write some questions, or you can ask for writing some essay or some summaries. Like if you can say, write write a summary about Nikola Tesla, for instance, and then you can just hit go, and then he will write some summary, or you can write an essay or something like this about Nikola Tesla, what his great invention was, and so on. You can just copy paste that and use it for writing summary and essay in your school, in your yeah, in your daily life. You can just use it. So it looks really nice. So you can also not only write something or ask some question that he will respond. You can also say write write Python code for random time series and train a linear regression on it and plot the predicted result. Let's see if you can also if this ChatGPT can write a Python program which you can use. So I'm going to start it. So he's kind of making summary now. He's starting to write Python code. This is the random series of 100 time series points x, and now he's going to make a linear regression which he's going to train to do the fit function to predict. Now he's going to plot everything, the actual and the prediction, and now he's even writing what he was doing, that he was generating 100 random numbers between 0 and 1, and that he's using sklearn to just train the linear regression, and then matplotlib to show everything nicely. So now I'm going to copy the code, and I'm going to open the Jupyter notebook and try to hit that, and you can see he's really plotting the actual and the predicted random signal, which you can see here. You can even have more data points, let's say 200, something like this. And then you can see actual and predicted. It's really good prediction, which you can see it's almost no overlapping, no gaps, nothing. So he really wrote a Python code which you can just copy and paste and use in your Jupyter notebook. So to sum up, I would really say or recommend for small tasks, you can really use the ChatGPT even for writing some REST API interfaces, something like this, for daily tasks that you are um, don't want to do this all the time over and over and again to automate some stuff. If you don't know, let's say JavaScript or um, C++ or other stuff, you can also use that. Now I'm using just Python to show you I can implement everything within a Jupyter notebook. And I would say I would recommend that. It was really an amazing task. And yeah, next chapter, I'm going to deep insight a little bit into this ChatGPT interface. And thanks for watching and see you soon.